Hi there. If you've ever had a session where a client suddenly shuts down, gets quiet, starts over-explaining, or just loses momentum, this video will help you understand why. I'm going to show you the 5 cues that reveal what's really happening beneath the surface when clients seem either stuck or distracted or resistant, because here's the truth. They're not avoiding growth. They're protecting themselves from something that once felt unsafe. And when you can recognize these patterns, you'll know exactly how to respond in ways that restore safety and rebuild trust. And that's when your coaching starts to work so well. So let's dive in. Here's what I've learned after 34 years of coaching thousands of people and doing a deep dive research into betrayal. When clients stop following through, it's rarely a lack of motivation. It's usually a lack of safety. So let's talk about the 5 patterns you need to recognize. The first one, the over-apologizer. Here's what you're going to notice. They'll say things like, I'm sorry, constantly, even for needing time, space, or support. What's really happening here? They've learned that being wrong or needing help leads to rejection. Somewhere along the way, their trust or worth was betrayed. So apology becomes a survival strategy. Your gentle shift. Instead of correcting them, reassure them. Recognize their effort over the outcome. Say something like, you don't need to apologize. I'm glad you shared that. When safety replaces shame, openness is allowed to follow. The next one, the self-saboteur. What you'll notice with them, they make real progress, then suddenly cancel, backslide, or disappear. What's really happening after this one? After betrayal, the nervous system starts to associate success with risk because good things once preceded pain or loss. So staying small is safer than standing tall. So your gentle shift, normalize the pattern without judgment. Say something like, it makes sense that part of you feels unsafe with progress. Let's explore that together. When you name the fear, you disarm it. The next one, the overanalyzer. What you'll notice with this one, they explain everything. They justify, they seek perfect clarity, but they rarely take action. And what's really happening with this one? Analysis protects them from vulnerability. Thinking became their way to avoid feeling after trust was broken. So your gentle shift, invite them back into their body. Ask things like, let's pause for a second. Where do you feel that right now? Feeling is where healing starts. The people pleaser, I know you've seen this. What you'll notice, they nod, they agree, they praise you, and then they stall. Progress seems to disappear once your approval feels secure. And what's really happening with this one? They equate harmony with safety. A past betrayal taught them that honesty or disagreement could cost them connection. So your gentle shift right here, give explicit permission to be authentic. Say something like, you don't need to please me. I want what's true for you. Authenticity builds that trust that compliance never can. The disengager. What you'll notice with this one, they'll emotionally check out mid-session, go silent, or stop replying altogether. What's really happening with this one? You've just brushed against a deeper wound. Their nervous system just got activated and an old alarm is saying, I'm not safe. Your gentle shift with this one, don't chase them. Reconnect with them. Try something like, I sense this part feels sensitive. Would it help to pause or take a breath together? Safety before strategy, always. Here's what I want you to remember. When clients resist, it's not defiance, it's protection. So this week, go notice 1 or 2 of these cues in your clients. And when you do, respond with curiosity instead of correction. Because each time you meet protection with safety, the nervous system learns that it's okay to grow again. This is the work we do inside our PBT certification training program. It's an evidence-based framework for helping clients rebuild trust. So every tool you already use just works so much better. So if this resonated with you, I'd love to hear which cue you recognize most in your work. Drop the word series in the comments if you want access to the 3-part series where I dive into this so much more deeply. I hope this helped. Follow for more.